all the people. One asked, can we come to the mosque? I said, yes, we are invited. So,
Jazakumullah, I'm very pleased with your activities.
Hazur, my question, now I start my question, Hazur.
That was just an appetizer.
In that respect, Hazur, yesterday I...
In which respect? In the respect of appetizer or in some other respect?
The same connection of the belief.
I see, yes.
Yesterday I had written a request to Hazur for two of my friends, sick friends, to visit. And I gave to Mehdi Sahib.
You brought them once before. Are they the same gentlemen?
One is the one who came
One
first.
who was slightly elderly and who wanted me to pray for his son and his relationship with his family members. Is that the one who is coming?
One was between.
One was a police officer, ex-police officer.
One was police officer.
Yes?
He is the one.
I see.
And there is another gentleman also.
Who was a trader of some sort.
Yes.
I think he owned a garage or something. The other one.
No, not that. That was another one. From Croydon or something.
Yes.
No, I'm talking about both are in my office. So I have just...
what I mean to say is that last time you brought two gentlemen with you.
Yes, please.
One of them was an ex-police officer.
Yes.
And the other one was in some workshop trade or something.
No, there were three, Hazur.
Three, I see, yes.
Two from
there
my
was a
office.
younger...
I brought two from my
correct,
office.
Correct, that's right.
And
There was a younger man as well.
Brought another person.
Yes, so are they the ones who are repeating the visit or there is someone else?
No, there is one which was police officer.
He is coming again.
He is coming again with one of his friend.
I see.
Another friend.
I see.
Who is also in our office, but whose visit will be the first one.
And what's the purpose of the visit?
The purpose of the visit is that the other person, he is MA LLM, London University.
There is no purpose.
And he is a sort of journalist.
Because last time when they came, I had the impression that the elderly person who was owner of some workshops, etc., garages, he was a religious-minded person and a spiritual-minded person. And this man was just a police officer.
No, he's
quite decent, of course, but
it's interesting.
A mere police officer. Not like Dar Sahib at all.
No, the other one also is, we discuss every day, brother, to him, and he is much interested to know something about spirituality.
But he will remain interested and nothing more, that I assure you. The way I know him, he would be more interested in hockey than religion.
No, the other person is a religious type.
The one who is coming this time?
Yes.
I hope so. All right, please.
Would Hazur kindly let us know something about the glory of the time of Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam as a king and a prophet? Although many stories attributed to him by Muslims who have not joined Ahmadiyyat yet have been explained by Hazrat Khalifatul Masih II. In this connection, information regarding the following things will be of a great value to increase our knowledge. Where was his kingdom? Where was his famous throne? What is meant by that he knew the languages of the birds?
You haven't asked about the Solomon's gold mines. I'm surprised. Because even if you knew where his throne was, it wouldn't be of any benefit to you at all. Because it would be no longer there. But people believe all over the world that King Solomon's mines, gold mines, are still hidden somewhere, and there is plenty of gold in those mines. And that secret should be discovered somehow by reading the biblical cryptology. So why are you not interested in that and just in the throne? You know, one Ahmadi from America, Mr. Malik, he had his thesis on Hazrat Solomon and his great achievements and what actually happened. And he wrote a very interesting thesis. He worked a lot, took a lot of labor, and that thesis is at present lying somewhere in Rabwa. Maybe at Tehreek-e-Jadid or Fazl-e-Amr Foundation, I suppose, because he wrote that thesis for Fazl-e-Amr Foundation. And because I was a member of the committee which decided about the awards, so it came to me for first reading and impressions. So that is the thing you require. It's a longish thesis, that big, and because the subject you have asked about covers a very great area of research and general knowledge, so you better, instead of asking this question here, have recourse to that thesis and write to Rabwa, and they would perhaps send you a copy, if you please. There he has mentioned about the various possibilities of the Quranic references to his kingdom. And according to his research, the gold mines as discovered in Saudi Arabia are actually the gold mines of Hazrat Solomon. And according to his research, his boats, who are mentioned as having 1 month's journey in during a day's breeze, these boats plied between where Jerusalem is nowadays and Yemen, some ports in Yemen. So he has authenticated, he has made some mistakes, of course, here and there, but overall I think it's a very good effort and a very interesting article. Yes, please, your second question. But why were you smiling and enjoying him? Do you always like his questions?
Well, I suspect that he knows the answers already.
Huh?
I suspect that he knows the answers already.
He knows, but he just wants to
Ask the questions.
to share his knowledge with others. Is that so? That's it. Yes, Bashir Yad Sahib, please.
The promised Messiah, alayhi salam, has told us that the first source of the teachings of Islam in the Holy Quran is the Holy Quran. Then the Sunnat, that is the practice of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, followed by ahadith of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Would Hazur kindly let us know the sources to find out the Sunnat of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam apart from the books of ahadith of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Sources or ways?
No, the sources, Hazur.
But this is a meaningless thing.
Can I repeat?
It doesn't read sense.
I have written, Hazur. Would Hazur kindly let us know the sources to find out the Sunnat of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam apart from the books of them?
This is meaningless to me. It doesn't.
Any other sources where we can know Hazur had this was the Sunnat of the Holy Prophet apart from the books of the Hadith?
But this question is just meaningless. I mean, it doesn't mean anything to me. It doesn't convey anything to me. The word sources here is just
I mean,
creating difficulties
my word
for me
may be
to.
wrong, but If a zoo
No,